Make your own computer operating system. Tutorial guide. This tutorial covers the whole process of creating your own tiny computer operating system. It includes booting module and kernel. Making your own operating system required tools: emu8086, assembler, tutorial and emulator. RawWrite for Windows. Usually, when a computer starts, it will try to load 512 bytes from sector 1, head 0, cylinder 0, from floppy drive A to 0000H7C00H and give it control. If this fails, a hard drive is used. This tutorial covers the booting from floppy drive. The same principle is used to boot from hard drive. Using floppy drive has several advantages. You can keep your existing computer operating system software, Windows, DOS. It's easy to modify the boot record of a floppy drive. Example of a simple boot program: directive to create boot file, #make_boot boot record is loaded at 0000:7C00, so inform compiler to make required corrections. org7C00H, load message address into SI register, SI, message, teletype function ID, MOVA, 0 print, MOVAL, SICMPAL, 0JZ done in 10H, print using teletype. INC SIJMP print, wait for any key, done, MOVA, 0 in 16H. Store magic value at 0040H0072H, 0000H, cold boot. 1234H, warm boot. MOVAX, 0040H MOVDS, AXMOVW0072H, 0000H, cold boot. JMP0FFFH0000H, reboot. New _line EQU13, 10 message DB. Hello, this is my first boot program. DB new _line, press any key to reboot. 0 Copy the above example to emu8086 source editor and press compile and emulate button. Emulator automatically loads .boot file to 0000H7C00H. You can run it just like a regular program, or you can use virtual drive menu to write 512 bytes at 7C00H to boot sector of virtual floppy drive, floppy_0 file in emulators folder. After writing your program to virtual floppy drive, you can select boot from floppy from virtual drive menu. If you are curious, you may write the virtual floppy, floppy_0, or .boot file to real floppy and boot your computer from it. I recommend using RawWrite for Windows from http://uranus.it.swin.edu.o/jn/linux. Note that this is not MS-DOS compatible boot sector, so it's better to use an empty floppy, although it should be IBM MS-DOS formatted. .boot files are limited to 512 bytes, sector size, so if your operation system is going to grow over this size, you should use boot program to load data from other sectors. A good example of tiny operating system can be downloaded here. microOS_loader.asm microOS_kernel.asm emu8086.inc to create extensions for your operating system. Over 512 bytes, you can use .bin files. Select bin template from File-New menu. To write .bin file to virtual floppy, select Write .bin file to floppy. From virtual drive menu of emulator, you can also use this to write .boot files. Sector at cylinder 0 sector 1 head 0 is a boot sector. A typical floppy drive structure, floppy disk has two sides, and there are two heads for each side, 0, 1. These heads are moving above the disk. Each side has 80 cylinders, 079. Each cylinder has 18 sectors, 118. Each sector has 512 bytes. Total size of floppy disk is 2x80x18x512 equals 1,474,560 bytes. Now you know about making computer operating systems. Copyright 2002 Alexander Popov Emulation Soft. All rights reserved. http://www.geocities.com/emu8086